let's watch Desperate Bride Makeovers.
Trojan Twister. Spice things up with the Trojan Vibrating Twister. A personal massager with 3 pulse patterns, 4 unique twistable positions, and 5 speeds. It's made with trusted Trojan quality.
You can twist it in different positions for different experiences. It's powerful in the best possible way.
We said that we were going to spice things up, and we definitely did.
It's a great gift.
To get the Trojan Vibrating Twister, go to TrojanVibrations.com. Get Twister for yourself or as a gift with discreet free shipping. Get the Trojan Vibrating Twister right now at TrojanVibrations.com.
And now, the conclusion of tonight's Hallmark Channel holiday original movie premiere, The Good Witch's Charm, is presented by
You have to show Jamie how to do things.
Mm-hmm.